Hi guys, I'm super excited to welcome you to this 7-day challenge. If you do not know me, my name is Christina. I'm the founder of Health and Happiness for Life Facebook group. I'm also a holistic health coach and a nutritional therapist, and I specialize in digestion function, improving digestion function, in cravings management, and also weight loss. I've created this 7-day challenge to show you how easy it is to manage your cravings and to improve your digestion function. In order to take part in this challenge, you need to join my Facebook group, Health and Happiness for Life, and you need to sign up to the challenge, the link to which you'll be able to find in the description of this video. The challenge starts on the 3rd of September. But on 1st of September, you will receive a document from me that outlines all the steps you need to take in order to win this challenge, 2 videos that are digestion friendly, and also 4 recipes that will help you start your day on a good note. The winner of this challenge is going to win a box from the Yaya's Box. Yaya's Box is a subscription-based company that provides Mediterranean products to your door. And we have teamed up for this challenge, and they have agreed to send to the winner the following products: Greek olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, honey from Greece. Greece has the highest quality of honey in the world, energy bars made from sesame seed and honey, Greek mountain tea, which is anti-inflammatory, it is also a great alternative to green tea if you're not a big fan. Also Greek yogurts. This is such a great gift, guys. Such a great gift. So definitely do take part. Even if you do not win this challenge, you will experience an improvement in the way that your digestion works. And you'll also experience satiety between 4 to 6 hours from your breakfast to your lunch, or from your first meal to your next meal. It's incredible. After the challenge, you'll have so much energy. You will reignite the spark with yourself, with your loved ones, with your work, with your life in general. You'll see that you will have so much energy and you'll feel so much better. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now and also join our Facebook group, and let's get started. And I promise you, I will be holding your hand. Yeah, I really want you to experience how it feels to feel at your best. So thank you very